Hey guys, now I will show you how you can retrofit the shader into your existing windscreen. The point is that the shader is larger than the hole you have in your windscreen. So what we have to do now, we need to enlarge the hole. To make it as easy as possible for you, we prepared such a template sticker. And now we have to stick in the template. You start in one corner, then you take another corner, yeah, and then you should be more or less aligned. There are several options how to enlarge the hole. We prefer the multi-tool. Yeah, like many people has it in the garage. You can work with it, so we advise to use the multi-tool and try to put there a plate like this. You don't need to enlarge the bottom and the top edge. This one remains the same actually. So you need only to cut here on right side and on left side. So when I turn, I suggest you start in this area and you go down here, then you go this one and go down again. So the long edges are cut out. Now you need to get rid of the corners. So you always start here because in this apex you start and you go up to here. Don't try to connect it, yeah, because it will be ugly. So just go, I don't know, a few millimeters stay before, yeah, and do it in all four corners. So again, this is all cut here, and now there are only a little bit material left in the corners. So just take it out. Maybe you put out the sticker really carefully. Tuk. Is bigger. So now you can take just in your hands a bit of sandpaper, soft one, not a big grain, but a small grain. We call it in Europe 120, yeah, for instance, and you clean up all the edges. Now we can test if it fits or not. Not really. You see here is still a gap. So what is important before you it's obvious that it needs here in the bottom and in the top a little bit, yeah, and because here the holes are not aligned, so I would definitely go a little bit more up, so grind the top edge, yeah, until it sits, and then a little bit maybe the low one, yeah, but it's not much, it's I don't know 1 millimeter or something, yeah, so let's go for it. So in the end we had to grind a little bit the top and low edge, but now actually we are there, the holes are aligned, yeah, so it's actually done. Don't be stressed if you are not super precise as a CNC machine. Nothing happened there, it was a little bit zigzag because the shader has a rim and it goes from top, so it will cover everything and it won't be visible. So actually it's done. Now you clean up the windscreen. You stick on first the yellow frame if you like it, make the holes in the corners, and then you bolt on with M4 bolts and the rubber nuts the plexi cover, and then you can install into your bike.